Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Imagine getting your engineering degree from a top tier institute like BITS Pilani and having your tuition backed by a massive $1 million endowment. This isn't a dream, it's the new reality for female students starting from the academic year 2026-2027. Today, we are breaking down the historic Srimati Kaushalya Devi Samdani Scholarship and what it means for you. Here at Careers 360, we have covered this news and let me summarize the whole news to you people over here. It all started with Mahesh Samdani, a proud alumnus from 1986 batch, and his wife Purva Ladha. They just gifted a whooping $1 million, approximately rupees 8.5 crores, to their alma mater. But here is the best part. This isn't for building a new lab or statue. This entire fund is dedicated to merit cum need scholarships specifically for female students. They named it after Mahesh's mother to honor her legacy, ensuring that financial barriers never stop a brilliant girl from becoming an engineer. We all know engineering fees are skyrocketing. This scholarship is a direct attack on that particular problem. Target audience, it is strictly for female students from low-income backgrounds who have the merit to crack BITSAT but might struggle with the fees. What's the goal? The institute wants to increase gender diversity in STEM, STEM. By removing the financial worry, they are inviting more women to join the BITS ecosystem. Beyond tuition, this also funds faculty-guided research projects, meaning you aren't just studying, you are innovating under top professors. So, herein you can have a look onto the news article that has been published by Careers 360, the link of which will be provided to you in the description box. Now, this is one of the largest individual alumni gift dedicated solely to women's education in India. If you are a female aspirant aiming for BITS Pilani in 2026, this is your sign to push harder. The support system is ready for you. What do you think about alumni giving back to students instead of just buildings? Let me know in the comments section, and for more scholarship updates that actually save your money, hit that subscribe button right now.